So yes guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and right here guys, I have some chickpeas. Yes guys, some garbanzo bean, and I'll be using this to make a amazing vegan curry. Okay guys, a chickpea curry, or you can call it garbanzo bean curry. Okay guys, or curry garbanzo bean, any way fit for you. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna jump right into the video. Okay guys, so yes guys, in a hot pot, what you want to do guys, you want to go ahead and add some olive oil. Okay guys, okay, amazing. I'm gonna allow this oil to get hot. Okay guys, then from there you want to go in with some diced garlic. Okay guys, some diced ginger, and some diced onion. Okay guys, so these three ingredients guys, they are very important. Okay guys, so what you want to do guys, you want to try and extract as much as the flavor as possible. So now I'm just going to leave this to saute for a few seconds. So yes guys, to this I'm gonna go in with some curry powder. Okay guys, in the Caribbean we call this burning of the curry. Okay guys, burn off your curry. The older folks would say it allows you to digest the curry much better, but for me, I think it improves the flavor of the curry. Okay guys, then to that I'll be going with some diced potato. Okay guys, Irish potato, and some diced carrot, okay guys, I'm just gonna saute these for a few seconds also. Okay guys, so yes guys, and then to that I'll be adding in my cooked chick. I'll be adding in my cooked chickpea. Okay guys, so there we go guys, our chickpea is inside. Then right here I have an allspice leaf, one bay leaf, and I have some cloves. Okay guys, into that guys, I'm gonna go in with some coconut milk. If you want to learn how to make your fresh coconut milk guys, I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna mix this around. Then to that guys, I'll be adding in some cumin powder, some salt, some black pepper. And I'm just gonna mix this, guys. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover, and I'll be leaving this to simmer for 2 minutes. So yes guys, after 2 minutes of simmering, I'm gonna go in with some diced green bell pepper, okay guys? And I'm gonna put a Scotch Bonnet pepper inside. And I'm gonna leave this for another 2 minutes to simmer. So yes guys, our curry garbanzo bean is ready. Yeah man, this is ready guys. This is looking beautiful and it is smelling amazing. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some spring onion to garnish. Just like this guys. Give this another mix. Okay guys, look at it guys. Curry chickpea is ready guys. Wow, this is beautiful. So yes guys, our curry garbanzo bean is ready, okay guys? So I'm just gonna go ahead and serve it up with some black bean and rice and some sliced tomato. This is a perfect vegan dish guys. Here we go. How is it looking guys? Wow, this is looking beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.